also nice for the nose wipe. Pretty sunrises here. That's Maryland National Harbor. Pretty ghetto. Just go there for casinos. Man, the mask is nice for bugs. Remember when I was a noob and I'm coming up to this hill and I didn't downshift in time? Holy fuck. You can kill your cadence right there. I like this ridge. We're getting to Alexandria now. This climb here is deceptively annoying. You can't lose your cadence like those guys did. It's annoying. Stop and tell me to take the trail. I never go this way. Free hill here, but it's kind of pretty on the water. I've only gone here once, I think, maybe twice. Got a detour. 6 shot. Not a bad shot, I guess. Take this opportunity to drink. Cool helmet, man. I'm okay. Drinking water and saying hi, but I got a buddy helping. It's all right. Almost caught that. Oh, that was weird with the weight on the back of the bike, I guess. Oh, shit. Well, it's a good thing big wheel's on the way. Alright, collect my belongings, head for the coast. May not be much, but I feel like I'm making the most. That was my first spill on the bike, boys, and you got it on film. It's okay, yeah, I'm good. That's why you keep both hands on the wheel. That's Cutie is really concerned. If I wasn't wearing a helmet though, that wouldn't have been good. If I wasn't wearing a helmet, that wouldn't have been good. That's why you wear them, bud. Well, let's see if she rides right. There goes nothing. Well, we know there's a lip there now. Well, back derailleur is regular. I don't think my front derailleur is working. Just gonna ride around here. Oh no, the front derailleur did work. Okay. It's working. I think just my hood is bent. Yeah, I think we're good, fam. Woohoo! That'll be a good B-roll. This fucking detour, it's not for you guys. Doing your damn road work, I wouldn't have needed to learn about that lip. But I guess I know about that lip now. Man, gloves. Coming in handy with the first fucking usage. I'll take that.